Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. There are lots of things that can distract you when providing aid to a patient as a first aider or a medical professional. We asked a paramedic to explain about distractions at the scene and how you reduce them.
In our professional training, one of the things that we often talk about is things that soak up your bandwidth. So there are lots of distracting things that might be taking your mind away or stopping you focus on the most important things. So for example, the television being switched on, music playing, somebody having a conversation behind you, all of those things, an animal scurrying around, all of those things can be distracting. So really little things that we could say could be helpful are things like turning off the television. I've been in a bingo hall once and a man was really poorly and they wouldn't stop the calls. So all I could hear were the bingo calls and I was trying to calculate the dose to give to him. So things like that use up your bandwidth. So if you can be helpful and reduce those distractions, it makes the situation a lot calmer and a lot more easy on the professional.